All right, everybody, I want you to try to guess where I am right now. Go ahead and guess. If you've guessed hell, then you are correct. You are correct. Hey, everybody, I'm LaGuardia Cross, the dad who interviewed his daughters on YouTube before they could speak coherently. I've spent the last 7 years on YouTube chronicling my journey from new to newish dad, and really all the mistakes I've made in between.
What's the F word mean? F-U-C.
I know it. I am happy and honored to continue sharing those mistakes with you today. Welcome to the small stuff. The kitchen can be a scary place, especially when you have kids, and I'm talking softly because I do have kids. Y'all with multiple kids, do your kids ever like the same things? Of course not. Does anything I make compete with the fast food they love? No. It's hard to just cook one meal to please everybody. I know how to cook, right? Tell them about the food I cook.
He makes breakfast. Breakfast. Waffles. Waffles.
Yeah, say like.
I gotta say that some of the stuff that you don't cook is really good. Like
Wait, the stuff that I don't cook is what you like? Doing what works for you. What does that mean to you as a parent? And I'm asking this of all the parents. What does that mean? We don't agree on everything. I like breakfast for dinner, and that's me. My wife likes things other than what I cook, and that is okay. I have accepted that. And acceptance is a part of our reality, and acceptance is how we get by and stay sane. Now hear me out. What if there's a way to make it not scary? To make it easier and simpler in the kitchen despite our busy schedules, creating an atmosphere that makes it, dare I say, convenient to prepare meals for a family? Even with kids involved? Is that possible? I mean, I do appreciate quick and easy meals. I mean, not sacrificing quality, but I think there's a way to make it convenient with the variety of palates in this house. Yeah, watch this. While the girls are home from school, I am setting up the kitchen to make my life easier, and everything you see right here is from Wayfair. Girls, I got some new equipment, so I wanted to know from y'all, look, like treat me like a chef. I can make whatever you want. Just tell me what you want to eat.
Chicken, nuggets, fuck.
Okay. Y'all got kids, right? Do they act like that? Do your kids act like that? What do you want to eat, Nayeli?
Hot dog.
You don't want chicken nuggets? So, what makes things really easy is with stuff this simple, the girls can do it themselves. Why even fight what the kids like when they can learn how to do this stuff themselves? You see that? Yep. And that's it. Yep, good. Now y'all could go out there and wait, and your food will be done in 10 minutes. If that's not the easiest way to prepare food for kids, what is? This is so easy, and it's done now, and as simple as that. Homegirl got her nuggets. Yes, are they shaped like dinosaurs? Yes, they are. The hot dog got that charred vibe that I like. That's actually, I would probably eat that. But I'm not, because I'm still a good daddy. Still a good daddy, so let me go serve them their little meals so I can finally get to what I want to make. All right, here is the food y'all made. Here you go. I hope you are happy with what you made. I'm gonna bring you all some drinks too.
You don't eat a hot dog, right?
No, she can eat a hot dog however she wants to. She likes eating the bread first. How does it feel to make your own food?
Fun.
Yeah. So then I don't have to cook for you anymore?
No.
No. Yeah.
No, y'all can just do this yourself now, right?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, no, y'all are good. Y'all don't need me now. Good, but hey, I'm glad I don't have to do this anymore. Goodbye, girls. All right, so now I'm finally able to make what I wanted to make from the beginning. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Bacon, eggs, and French toast. That's the breakfast that I don't often get a chance to make in the mornings because we're trying to get the girls ready for school. So, the mixture for the egg white French toast. Now when I'm doing bacon, especially since it's turkey bacon, I want it to be extra crispy. Soaking the French toast up in here. Right there. So look, the whole point of doing all of this is really to do what works for you. And I know what works for me and my family. I have accepted what the girls like and what I don't like. And these items from Wayfair have made life so much easier because if the girls get what they want, I get what I want, and I have no complaints. I know your kids are just as unique, strange, whatever you want to call it, as mine. If they want to be picky, that's okay. I was picky as a kid too. But as long as they're eating, as long as they feel fed and nourished, I am okay with that. And it's okay to do what specifically works for you and your family. Thanks for being a part of this project with me and my girls. Head on over to Wayfair to do projects like these with your kids too.
He's not here. I was here, only mommy.
All right. Goodbye.